Weekend basketball dito po sa Central Luzon ay nagbabalik para po sa inyong Delta Cup, Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Basketball League. And we'll have 5 games today dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center at the heart of San Fernando City, Pampanga. Maya padayap, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Wherever you are from the Philippines and all the world, ito po ang Delta Cup, ang ating featured game for today. First game of our quintuple header. BAYUNG, Mexico, now wearing in light-colored uniforms, laban sa MAGALANG in blue uniform sa Mexico with a 5-win, 2-loss record. Samantala naman ang MAGALANG had a 1-win, 4-loss record. Tingnan natin ang mga games for today. Yan na po, Mexico versus MAGALANG ang ating first game. Second game, after this, is gonna be in Malugod, Candaba versus Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Game 2 at 1 p.m., Bayung Porac versus Apalit I Love It. 3 p.m., I Love San Simon versus Municipality of Arayat. And then main game at 5, the home team of FERNANDO Kakayabika versus Juan Sasmuan. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, doing the call right here in Delta Cup, production of SLA Sports. And of course, you can watch it live on Facebook, facebook.com/Pampanga PIO, Public Information Office, and also at YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. Puntahan muna natin also Pampanga PIO rin pala sa YouTube and also at Sinag Liga TV. Now, puntahan natin yung game story for today. For MAGALANG, on the last game, last January 27, they lost to San Simon 80-73. Ang nakikita kong kailangan ma-improve dito. But before we discuss that, let's have this format of our tournament. For this tournament, we'll have elimination round. 21 towns will be divided into 2 groups, bracket A and bracket B, consisting of 11 towns. Each group will play a single round-robin elimination pot. The top 8 teams in each group will advance to the next round. And the top 4 teams in each group will have a twice-to-beat advantage. Pagdating naman po sa quarterfinals, yan po ay round of 8. Sabihin, 8 lang po ang aabante. Sa ating quarterfinals 2, this is going to be the crossover of Group A, Group B, top 4 each. And then on the semifinals, we'll have the single round robin. Top 2 teams will advance to the final round. Sa finals naman, number 1 versus number 2 will be the best of 3 championship. Of course, yung number 3 and number 4 rank after the semifinal round will be on the knockout third place playoff. Ngayon, balik tayo sa discussion natin. Before that, we'll have the team standings for you. So, ang nangunguna po dyan sa bracket A is Angeles City Red Wires with 5-0, Apalit 5-1, Bayung Mexico 5-2, Mabalacat is 3-2, Santa Rita 3-3, also with San Simon 3-3, Bayung Porac, Level Up Lubao with 2 wins and 3 loss, 1 MAGALANG at 1-4, Bacolor 1-5, Arayat, wala pa silang panalo in 5 outings. Sa bracket B naman, nangunguna po dyan ang Florida Blanca with 5 wins and 1 loss record. 5-2 naman ang Guagua. Macabebe also tied with 5-2 on the second place. United Santo Tomas Ballers 4-3. Santa Ana Unite 3-2. Binalin All-Stars 3-3. Bayung Masantol 3-4. San Fernando with 2-3. Candaba 1-5 and Sasmuan 0-5. Now, I already discussed yung sa MAGALANG. Doon naman sa Mexico, the last time out, they won against Porac 81-50 last January 24. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's turn it over to our venue announcer, Ram Valid, for the starters of this game.
Sports fans, live po tamo kang BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Delta Cup Intermunicipalities-CITIes Basketball Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live on Sinag Liga Asia FB page and YouTube channel and Sinag Liga TV. And you can also catch the live action at Pampanga Public Information Office. We got 5 games for today. Our first match is the battle between BAYUNG, Mexico and MAGALANG Basketball. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your BAYUNG, Mexico. Starting at guard number 24, Riden Llantos. Also at guard number 0, Aaron Santos. At forward number 29, Noel Garrig. Also at forward number 10, Ezequiel Perez. And center number 8, Nomer Pascual. Head coach for BAYUNG Mexico is J.R. Gomez. Assistant coaches Howard Gonzalez, John David, Alex Bullion, and J.C. Manalili. Your BAYUNG Mexico. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Magalang basketball. Starting at guard number 18, Paul Estrabo. Also at guard number 31, Sean Pangilinan. At power number 21, Rafa Canlapan. Also at power number 9, Kian Dunca. And center number 22, Jeff Buton. Head coach for Magalang basketball is Joey Mercado. Assistant coaches Ponce Mali, Jervin Judilia, Jerry Feliciano, and Laini Calagos. Your Magalang basketball. Game officials for this game, Anthony Galutero, Dennis Escaros, and John Lizigas. This is your Delta Cup 2024.
Okay, review natin ang ating starters for Mexico. We have Reden Llantos, Aaron Santos, Domerjan Pascual at center, John Galing at forward, at si Cycle Perez naman sa other forward. Sa Magalang naman, Canlapan, Buton, Esrabo, Dunca, and Sean Pangilinan. Ang ating of course, mga referees, Michael Galotera, Dennis Escaros, and John Lisigas. We are about to start Delta Cup for our 5 games today. Ito na po ang jump ball. First possession po para sa Mexico. They are wearing in light-colored uniforms, white. Samantalang Magalang naman ay naka-blue. Ang alam niyo, nakausap ko ang head coach ng Mexico na si J.R. Gomez. They want to put on premium defense because madalas ang panalo ng mga Mexico is they limit their opponents to less than 60 points. And agad-agad, Kiel Perez scored a basket. Actually, Kiel Perez is one of the players enrolled sa Sam's Academy of Pampanga. Samantala, we have our very first foul of the ball game. That's against Kiel Perez, his first personal. Sabi rin ni J.R. Gomez, kailangan mag-ingat sila sa fouls. Majority of their games, yung kanilang mga malalaki, lagi sila na-foul trouble. They only have 11 seconds on the shot clock for Magalang. On the contrary sa Magalang, ang kailangan naman nilang gawin, they put on premium inside points. Marami silang malalaking mama, pero hindi sila nakakabuslo ng punto sa loob. Just like that. They are one of the top 4 teams in rebounds, but they could not convert those baskets into points. Inbound now para sa Magalang. Low post play. Sa labas, Pangilinan with an up fake. He drives, puts it up. He backs it in. Basket counts. Meron tayong foul na matatawagan. Panoorin niyo po of this dazzling drive by Pangilinan. Off the glass. Mapapansin ninyo yung mga kabataang Pampanga talaga nagpapalakas sila ng katawan, and that's the attribute of this league headed by no less than Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And later on, Coach Leo Isaac, our commissioner, will be here in attendance to supervise the game. Samantala, miss shot outside, inside play, beautifully done. And that time, si Domer Pascual converts. We are tied at 2, 8:55 remaining sa ating first quarter. You can see that score at the bottom right-hand side of your screens. Samantala si Santos, turnover para sa Mexico. Fast break for Magalang. Nice touch passing! Sabi nga ng kasabiang Ingles, teamwork makes the dream work. Beautiful assist. Take a look at this in slow-mo replay. Touch passing and a bucket. Alam mo yung direktor natin si Wilder, magaling din yan sa mga ganyan. Nakakabuslo ng putos. Samantala, early substitution, Nakpil checks it in for Mexico. You know, ang problema ni one of the scores ni si Gary, it's because lagi siyang nahuhuli sa depensa. And that time, his man, he's very late in rotation. At yon, 3-point play completed para sa Magalang. 5-4 ang ating talaan. Magalang up by 1 with 8 minutes and a half in the first quarter. Santos, he's swinging out to Perez on the right wing. Shake and bake move, double team. Wala mapasahan. Ball batted away. Shot clock running at 5. Naakawan ni Estrabo. Fast break once again. And that time, they didn't convert. Second effort is there. Courtesy of Jeff Buton. pressing the right button for that. Instant reply, wala yan para kay Perez. Aba, magandang transition defense this time by Magalang. But that time, they turn the ball over. And Perez almost makes them pay. And we have an easy defensive rebound for Magalang. Napapansin ng Magalang, itong Mexico, nagpe-press sila tao-tao. Ito si Pangilinan, he will try his best to provide some leverage for his teammates. Oh, that's a great bank shot. Paul Estrabo, nakagawa ng paraan. Our score, 9 Magalang, 4 Mexico. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 33. This is our first game of 5. Reverse layup, beautifully done. And instant offense kagad si Gerald Nakmen. Remember, he's a bench player. Siya yung unang nag-check-in kanina. Now, tingnan natin na Magalang kung sila ay magiging successful sa kanilang half-court set. Because majority of the puntos of Magalang is from the fast break, but that time, an easy getaway by Estrabo gives them a 5-point lead, 11-6. 3 minutes gone by, 7 minutes sa ating first quarter. Here's Nakpil, drive inside the paint. The shot didn't work. Tip in, Pascual. He has long, elongated arms. Work in his favor. Very closely, 14 counter, 11-8, 6 minutes and 45 sa ating first quarter. Tingnan natin na Magalang kung ano kanilang opensa. Pangilinan with a crossover. There's a triple team. Ball almost batted away. 8 seconds on the shot. It's going to be a kickball, sabi ng ating referee. Lead referee si Michael Calotera. And it will be Mexico will get the possession back. Of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages nating Delta Cup, Pampanga PIO, both on Facebook and YouTube, and also on our YouTube channel of Sinag Liga TV. Of course, this is a production of SLA Sports. Ang ganda ng uniform natin, direct. Samantala, Kiel Perez, dancing to the wrong song. He was called for traveling. Meron tayong substitution on the floor. Papasok sa Magalang si Franz David. You know, Franz David is a great defender. Pero yung scoring niya, yun ang hinahanap ng Magalang. He's a good team player, actually. Estrabo from the left wing. Malakas. Perez rebound quickly. Fast break play for Mexico. Llantos with a finish. Dinidiin ni Reden ang kanyang tira that time. Our score now, Magalang 11, Mexico 10. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 50 left. We are on the halfway point of the first quarter. Air ball ang tira ni Pangilinan. So yun, medyo si Coach J.R. Gomez nodded his head that time. Hindi late ang defensive rotation ng Mexico. Kiel Perez getting away. Look at that. When he sees the opening, sidestep, teardrop. Very talented young guy. 12-11 sa ating talaan. Lamang ang Mexico. Now, another turnover. Kiel Perez, can he execrate once again? Yes, sir! Back-to-back baskets for Kiel Perez right now. And this is now the biggest lead of Mexico. 3 points, 14-11 in BAYUNG, Mexico. So, we are, of course, in the Chinese New Year. Of course, kung i-patchoy sa ating mga kababayan nating mga inchik. And of course, siya nga pala, kasabay ng ating broadcast direct na-unveil yung statue ni Kobe Bryant sa Crypto.com Arena. Alam nyo, marami sa ating mga production team kasama yung mamaya yung ating commentator na si Enzo De La Rosa will have that. But you see that slow-mo replay and we have a timeout. We shall return. Back to live action dito po sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Buong araw po tayo dito sa ating Delta Cup. 5 games, first game of 5. Lamang po ang Mexico, 14-11. Hindi nakasagot ang Magalang lahat offensive thrust. A missed shot from point blank range by Shandongka. And now Mexico with the possession. Reden Llantos once again, want to create. Naagawan ng tuluyan, great steal. And here comes a fast break finish for Magalang. Courtesy of RJ Guevara. Chops down the lead to 1. Alam mo, pagkabata ka, talagang one way or the other, makakasundot ka. That time, sticking like glue is RJ Guevara as he gives up his first personal foul. Only the first free foul for Magalang. Samantala, Mexico, meron na silang 14 fouls. Santos for 3, short. At ito na ang 1 Magalang on our fast break opportunity, but that was halted. And that time, Reden Llantos very smartly tapped the ball away to the foot of Eriol Manaloto. So, ang basketball, hindi lang to pabilisan. Pautakan din. Inside presence, great pass. Easy bucket for Gerard Nakpil. Mexico restores a 3-point edge. 16-13, 4 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Here's Manaloto. Inside play. Oh, that time it drops. Uses the glass perfectly. Alam mo, pagka southpaw ka, pagkaliweta, ang hirap bantayan. And we've seen a lot of successful southpaws like Alan Kaidik, John Ferrios, and others. Perez for Mexico. Santos on the left side. 10 to shoot. The bounce pass. Nakpil puts it up. Ayaw. And we're gonna have a foul in the process. Sabi ni referee Dennis Escaros, ang foul probably on Manaloto. But anyway, we can have a substitution. It is Manaloto's foul. Samantala, meron tayong mga bagong pasok. Si Mangalos at si Carlos Dunca checked in. Inside play. Battered! Look at that sticky defense. 3 players ganging up for Magalang. But what could have been a traveling violation might be overturned. And referee John Lesigues wants to correct that call made by referee Galotera. It's going to be a foul on David. So, foul muna direct bago traveling, sabi nga eh. It's a first personal. The 13th foul for Magalang. 14 on the shot clock. Santos. Isolation play. Matindi yung depensa dito. Ni Guevara harassing the ball carrier. 5 on the shot clock. Long 3 on the left side of the court. Ayaw. Easy rebounded by Manaloto uncontested. 3 and 14 remaining in the first quarter. Whoop! That time, hindi nasalo yung pasa mula kay Manaloto. It's a turnover for Magalang. And remember, Magalang, they only have 1 win in 5 outings. Perez uncorks from downtown. A failure. At ito na Magalang on the fast break. Crossover by Manaloto. Whoops, it's gonna be a lifting. Dribbling violation. Sa ating mga viewers, no, dalawang instansya ng ating dribbling violation na tinatawag ng referee. May dribbling violation na lifting at may dribbling violation na double dribble. Yan, dalawang instansya yan. To educate our viewers. 18 on the shot clock. Here's Kiel Perez. Frontal assault on the basket. Didn't pay off. Offensive rebound. Isa pa para kay Perez. Wala pa rin. Well, Mexico, at least, they're now fighting tooth and nail on those offensive boards. Santos! Third serving did not produce any. But the valiant effort will not be wasted because pumapalakpak na ang mga assistant coaches of Mexico for their valiant effort on gang rebounding. Actually, yan ang sinabi sa akin ni J.R. Gomez. Kailangan na magtulungan kayo sa pagkuha ng rebounds at makakuha tayo ng mga more chance of opportunities. Pero sa Mexico, it will be backfired dahil penalty situation na. The last foul was a call on John Del Cunanan. That's his first personal. First free throw for David. Rattles in. Of course, itong si David. Of course, pong Magalang, he's a forward. And that time, he splits the charities. First deadlock at 16 apiece. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 39. Play number 1 para sa Mexico. They swing it one from right to left. Ito na si Dunca. Uncorks from downtown. Short. The rebound control for Magalang. Ito na si Manaloto. Approaching the 2-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Starter step by Manaloto. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang tira. David keeps it alive for the blue shirts, but he's gonna be called for traveling. At pag nagsasabi ako ng traveling, yung taga-Mexico na si Meneses tuwang-tuwa. I hope Meneses will play maybe on the second quarter. Of course, I want to greet yung aking nanay from last Monday. She celebrated her 74th birthday. Happy birthday, ma. Her name is Leti Pajaro from Suriname. Oh, Kunanan and Llantos hindi nagkaintindihan. Or rather, it's Rivadulla who just checked in a few seconds ago. Butterfingers. Talagang pagkabagong pasok ka at matagal ka na hindi naglalaro, yun talaga mangyayari sa'yo. Ito, the big guy inside the paint. Tison. Couldn't extricate extra rice there. Tabla tayo ng 60. Oy! Muntik na matamaan doon si Coach Leo, pero okay lang. Of course, Coach Leo, belated happy birthday to Coach Leo. He celebrated his 63rd birthday. 3-point shot, Kunalan, hindi pumasok. And Dizon keeps it alive for Magalang. David spots. Wala. At sabi ng Mexico, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Play continues. Alam mo yung minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng mga buzzer malfunctions. No? Rivadulla, hang time move. Didn't pay off. Battle for the rebound. And the ball will stay with Mexico with 15 seconds on the shot clock. I'll cover the two games. Later, third game, Penelope and Enzo Galarosa will do the broadcasting chores for you. 13 on the shot clock now for Mexico. Ang ating score, tabla tayo at 16. 3-point shot on its way. No soak that time. David, ball tap away. Rivadulla, starter step. Goes right. Scores! Yes! Jackknife for Rivadulla. Time down to 57 seconds. First quarter action. Ball is loose. Bangalos. And a rebound missed. And that time it will be a hell ball. And ang possession araw matutulong sa Magalang. Look at that graceful move by Rivadulla on slow-mo replay. Sarap ulit-ulitin yun direct. 40 ticks to go. David from 20. Nope. Rivadulla high on the rebound. Time down to 33 seconds. Dunka. We'll have a 2-for-1 play before we end this first quarter. 15 to shoot now. Ito na si Kunalan goes to the center court. Now to Rivadulla. 9 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up now. Inside pass. That is a great play. All 5 players touching the ball. And Mangalos finishes. 11 seconds to go. Ito na si Manaloto. On the outside, 3-point bomb. No explosion para kay Likop. Not much time. Buzzer na po tayo. I think that's it in the first quarter. Siguro, hindi na set up ng maayos yung ating period. But anyway, first quarter natin ends. Let's take a look first on the first quarter highlights. I believe ang ating score ay 18-all kung di ako nagkakamali. Samantala, we see those... okay, 20 for Mexico and 16 for Magalang as we have this first quarter highlights. Those layups, those spectacular plays really dazzling our Pampanga fans. Again, 20-16 ang ating score. Mexico up by 4. These are some of the subplots of this ball game. Ating mga Pampanga fans, mga kabalen, enjoying this first game of 5. Again, magandang umaga po. Nagmumula po kami dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Continuation of our coverage of Delta Cup. Brought to you by SLA Sports. Ryan Paro po lamang doing the call for you. And of course, nagtapos ang ating first quarter 2016 Mexico with a 4-point upper hand. Let's review our five on the floor for Mexico. We have Kiel Perez. We also have John Del Cunanan. We have Reden Llantos. We also have Rivadulla and likewise Lakap. For Magalang, we have Licop. We have Dunca. We also have Butan. We also have Alborelas. And of course, last man is number 22. And Jeff Butan pala yan. Samantala, tingnan natin sa replay. Yes, it is a foul on Kiel Perez. And a loose ball. Possession now for Magalang. The big guy. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Nikin Dunca. Fast pick na naman dito sa Mexico by the unknown numbers. Rivadulla airballs that shot from three-point country. And here's Magalang with a counter fast break. Licop with a pass inside. The hack time move! Oh! That could have been brought the house down. Pierres nabitawan ng bola. 9:17 remaining in the second quarter. One Magalang with the possession. Here's the shot from the free throw line. Di pumasok. Tip in. Yes. That time, Jeff Button with the basket. You can call it Button, you can call it Button, call it whatever you may. Ating score, 2018, Mexico up by 2. Cunanan, hijack. Llantos, nahihirapang itira ang attempt. Third effort in vain. One more serving for Mexico. They're getting the lion's share of offensive rebounds, and that time, Licop was called for that foul. Unang foul pa lamang yan ni Licop. 14 shot clock sa ating possession sa Mexico. Low post play. Perez. Shake and bake against three defenders. Laterals onto the basket. That move reminds me of El Presidente and Mon Fernandez. 22-18. 8:27 remaining. Oh, magandang sagot. A three-point bomb exploded by Justin Alborelas. So far, action is picking up in this second quarter, and even those defensive times for both squads. As we have the last tap by Alborelas. Possession will stay with Mexico with 13 seconds on the shot clock. Then Llantos. Now to Lakap on the top of the key. Lakap couldn't get crossover, but that time, Alborelas sticking him like glue, and he will be called for the foul. Hand check. Llantos will inbound. Llantos has the letter. 10 to shoot. Drives hard. On the outside. Corner flip. It wells out. At ito kailangan iwasan ng Mexico, no? Kapag nakaka-rebound ng opponent, huwag silang basta pa-foul ng mga alanganin, no? Mga sundot. Sabi yan ni J.R. Gomez kasi like I've discussed earlier at the top of the coverage, Mexico has a tendency to give up unnecessary fouls. So they need to avoid that, especially if the momentum is on their side. Kaya hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa si J.R. Gomez. Pininitan muna si Kiel Perez o si Cycle Perez. At papasok si Ivan Rional at si Nomer Pascual. Rional also part of Sam's Academy of Pampanga. So ano rin yan, great defensive player din yan. Dunca was blocked. And here comes Reden Llantos for the touchdown. No, he will drop it off to his teammate, and Lakap scores. 24-21 is a three-point lead for Mexico. 7:33 remaining. The three-point shot won't bite. And a rebound control for Mexico. Takbo sila ngayon. And here's Lakap. No-look pass. Bucket and one for Llantos. Mexico fast break is in high gear. That 3-on-1 fast break, providing the 5-point cushion for Mexico. Missed free throw there. 7:19 remaining. Second chapter of this epic battle. Inside pass. Oh, nice dish. Lick up. Jeff Button again on the inside foray. 3 minutes gone by sa ating second chapter. Ito na si Lakab. They swing it out to Ribadulla with 9 seconds to shoot. Rional with a one-hander, air ball. Of course, yung aking school, last month, nagkaroon sila ng 99th founding anniversary. Happy anniversary sa Mapua. Of course, yung ating commissioner at yours truly are both Mapuans. Samantala, Dunka, again, another bad pass. So, magiging telling story dito sa ating laro, yung mga turnovers ng ating mga kumpunan. Because they're very young, they want to prove their worth. Especially in this platform, this will be a good platform for teams in the collegiate level to scout and to maybe include them in their lineup pretty soon. Isa na dyan, yung isang player ng Apalit, si Isaac Danting, who's now part of the Team B of the UST Grounding Tigers. 17 to shoot now. Lakab signaling play number 5. There's a triple team on him. Here's Llantos, moves out, 9 to shoot. Lakab wants to create, shaking big, drives, one-hander, rejected by Button. That leaves them a turnover. At babalik ang bola sa Magalang. You know, Magalang is a very good defensive team. Yun nga lang, pagdating ng fourth quarter, doon sila nauubusan ng bala. They only rotate 7 or 8 or 9 players. They didn't maximize their bench well enough. Tingnan natin sa larong ito kung magte-10 o 11 players sila. Here's the drive. That was clobbered. Button misses from point-blank range, and we have a man scramble with some physical action, and there's a ward-off foul against Mexico. That's Pascual. Take a look at this in slow-mo. Bruising bit of action in slow-mo. Pagkakuha ni Pascual, nakuha niyang bola. Ayun! There is a little ward-off of the elbow below. And Pascual will be called for that offensive foul. And look at the head coach of BAYUNG Mexico. He can't believe it. And he was restrained by our lead referee, Michael Galutera, to avoid any warnings for him. Balik ang bola sa Magalang. Here's a three-point shot from top of the key. Bullseye! Hilo Licop hitting the target. And we are dead even at 26. This is our second deadlock of the ball game. So this is a very closely fought encounter. Llantos on the left side of the court. He drives. Shot won't work. Rebound control para sa Magalang. Paul Estrabo brings it up. Estrabo almost lost. Gives up to his teammate. The baseline runner in vain. And the ball is loose. Picked up by the white shirts. Guevara almost a counter steal. Man scramble. And now Magalang has it. Nilo Licop. Step to the breaks. They're going to settle for half-court offense. Halfway point of the second quarter. Alley-oop plate to perfection. Look at that. Jeff Button, right place at the right time, pressing the right button. And that time, J.R. Gomez presses the timeout buzzer as Magalang with a 2-point lead. Exactly 5 minutes left sa ating second quarter, halfway point. And maraming salamat sa ating mga 700 plus viewers na live na nakatutok ngayon sa ating Facebook page. You can catch us live at facebook.com/Pampanga PIO, Pampanga Public Information Office. 28-26 now, 2-point lead for Magalang. Ito na Mexico. They want to equalize the count. Santos now to Nakpil. Nakpil with a side step. Great drop. Pass to Perez. Third deadlock, 28. Hindi bumibitaw dito ang Mexico. Ha? Kung nakikita nilang lumalamang ang Magalang, meron lang silang panagot. Estrabo, spread out offense for Magalang. They working on the perimeter, but that time the ball was tapped. Leaving only Magalang 7 seconds to work on the shot clock. Estrabo, 5 seconds to shoot. Here's the pump fake. Guevara drops it off. And Dunga puts it out. Fast break now for the White Shirts. Ito na si Santos. Santos. Inside. Llantos. Makes them pay. Bulldozing his way inside. Ito, gumagamit ng konting konting pangangatawan ni Llantos. Konting gulang ika nga. Samantala, Guevara. Mintis. Offensive rebound. That time it worked. Look at sensational first half for Jeff Butan. I think he's already in double figures. Mamaya sa ating halftime score, malalaman natin ang kanyang point production. He's not only scoring but also rebounding. Impressive. But that was not an impressive shot by Pascual. He takes. It's an air ball. And now one Magalang. We are tied again at 30. This is our fourth deadlock. Look at that flight that was missed. Nice save there by Santos. Cycle Perez loses it. Believe it or not, that's the third turnover for Cycle Perez. He's not on his element. Leak up with a drop. Botan again! Botan is a man possessed in the first half. He's now leading the charge for Magalang. And they're now have a 2-point lead, mga kaibigan, 32-30. 30 to shoot now sa ating shot clock. Ito na si Reden Llantos with a baseline drive. Tied again at 32. This is our fifth deadlock. Wow. This game is as good as advertised. Estrabo. Now to leak up on the left wing. 14 to shoot. Leak up will penetrate. The drop. Inside Bore. Wala mapuntahan. 7 to shoot. They need to put it up. 3-second violation spotted by referee Michael Galutere. Of course, by the way, these are referees from the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Of course, the head of referees for Delta Cup is no less than our beloved Buds Cortez. So, palitan tao muli dito ang Mexico. Pumuna si Pascual and Mangalos checks in para sa Mexico. Ito na si Nakpil. Tumira ng 20-footer. Beat in. Llantos couldn't keep it alive. It was a shot block. But there is a foul upstairs. Matatawagan ay si Sean Quinn. Take a look at this replay. Mangalos get the rebound. At yun, sumabit si David sa kamay. Pero kung nahawakan ni David yung bola, imbis na itap lang, malamang matatraveling si Mangalos. Instead, Mangalos will visit the 15-foot line. And he's a southpaw. As I pointed out, we have a lot of successful southpaws in Philippine basketball. One of them is Alan Kaidik. At marami pa dyan, katulad ni Hubert John Periols, Leonel Hognatan, Ponky Aloloy, to name a few. And that time is split for Mangalos. It is a 1-point lead for Mexico, 33-32. Time remaining, mga kaibigan, 2 minutes and 27 on a sunny 30 degrees in San Fernando, Pampanga. The alley play did not materialize para kay David. And Mexico na naman, not giving an inch in this ball game. Reden Llantos with a spinner. Kung baga sa kanta ni Randy Santiago, paikot, ikot. We have a foul given up by Santos. No, it is an offensive foul, sabi ng referee. It's Estrabo. Take a look at this. Spin cycle by Reden Llantos. And with exactly 2 minutes remaining, the score 35 Mexico, 32 Magalang. We have a ceasefire. Hoy, welcome back po sa ating Delta Cup. Nagpapabati nga pala yung isang former FEU tama raw na si Cyril Santiago. Actually, Cyril Santiago was part of the NBTC program several years back sa Mindanao with our SLA chairman, Boss Rocky Chan. Of course, yung kanyang product, yung Polylife Terra 90, we have a free massage. Papamassage ko yung ating mga production niya para healthy tayo lahat. Samantala, back to the ball game. Santos missing. Nakpil, the drop. Perez couldn't convert. There's offensive rebound, might get made. Mangalos with a basket, and look at that. Mexico collaborating each other on offensive boards. 37-32, 5-point lead for Mexico. Another turnover for Magalang. And that time, Mexico tightening their screws on defense. So both ends of the floor, they're now slowly paying dividends. Santos na may tangan na bola. Ito na si Perez, he will drive lefts. Handed that time. Kiel Perez can do left, can do right. He is ambidextrous. So kung meron tayong Jeff Button doon sa Magalang, Kiel Perez slowly going back to his A form. Samantala, Sean David with a stick back. Less than a minute remaining sa ating first quarter, 39-34 Mexico. Perez with a drop, right down the baseline, and then Yatos. And now J.R. Gomez is yelling at it. Tuloy lang, wag tayong kakampante. Wag tayong magre-relax. David spots a failure. Rebound control for Magalang. David keeps it alive with 10 to shoot. He spots from 3-point distance. Won't bite. Offensive rebound, the spin. Nothing there. Santos with the leather. 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. And Mexico will utilize and chew up some clock. Santos looking at it. Game clock reads 15 seconds. Inside to Nakpil, Mangalos, that turnaround, rejected. But the ball is loose. And the ball goes back to Magalang. One last shot for Magalang before we call it a semester. So that both teams will go to the locker room for a lemon time halftime break. Eto na, Magalang has it. 5 seconds, Manaloto. Down to 4, down to 3, down to 2. He needs to put it up. Manaloto drives, no! Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 1 Magalang, 34. BAYUNG Mexico, 41 points after 20 minutes of playing time. Let's see some of our second quarter highlights for you. Ayan, pumasok yung tira. And of course, Reden Llantos with a drop to lock up. Uses the glass perfectly. And a zip pass by Likap rather. And again, Reden Llantos with another inside conversion. These are some of the second quarter highlights. Ito pa yung isa kay Jeff Button with a glass hit. 41-34. This is the halftime break. Delta Cup brought to you by SLA Sports. Halftime score natin, 41-34. Just a few seconds away to start the first half. But let's take a look at our highlights between Mexico and Magalang. Take a look at this on our video. Yan yung unang basket ni Sean Pangilinan with a glass shot. Fast break there by Cycle Perez with that cycling move. Yung pa natin ibang highlights. Ito, 3-point shot yun sa Magalang. And another fast break finish by Mexico that time. Ito si Licap with a great pass to Button with the basket. And we have some more. Llantos with a drop-off to Laka with a glass hit. At ito pa yung inside foray ni Llantos. I think Llantos is one of the top scorers. Let's take a look at leading scores for both squads. Cycle Perez with 12. Jasper Mangalos with 6. Nome Pascual with 4 for Mexico. Para naman sa Magalang, Jeff Button with 15. Justin Alborelas with 3. And Sean David with 2. Welcome to the second half action of our Delta Cup. We have Licap. We have Manaloto. And we have Canlapan on the first Franz David. And also Button completing the fire. Great last shot by Reden Llantos. Llantos joining with Jasper Mangalos. We also have, of course, Cycle Perez. We also have Aaron Santos and Nakpil as we have a basket in one play. Again, Jeff Button is very consistent. Talagang he's a very inside operator. Talagang kaya niyang pumiit sa kaliwa at sa kanan. Kanina nakikita natin pumipiit sa kanan, ngayon pumiit siya sa kaliwa. So he's a very versatile inside player. And he completes once again a 3-point play opportunity. The score now is 43-37. 30 seconds gone by sa ating third quarter. Welcome po mga kasinang, mga kabalen. Ito po ang Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball League. Ang inyong pong lingkod on the commentaries. My name is Ryan Pajaro. And of course, we're live tayo dito sa facebook.com/Pampanga Information Office and also at YouTube at Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. Of course, in attendance, nandito po si Commissioner Leon Saak to have the proceedings. And of course, this is brought to you by SLA Sports. Manaloto, second effort. Si pagpagbatang to. He knows where's the ball to put in. So nakita niya mitis. Kita nila kagad. He just threw it up. And that time, Santos misfires from 3-point region. Mexico maintaining a 4-point lead, 43-39. And here's the inside drive, the drop. David with a one-hander. This time, yung extra pass gumagana sa Juan Magalang. And that sounds alarm. Kanina, they have a 6-point lead. Now it's chopped down to 3, 43-41. An early timeout by Mexico with that brilliant basket by David. We'll be right back. Back to live action here dito sa BREN Convention Center. Uy, nagpapabati nga pala yung dating production team na humahawak ng Delta Cup, yung D&D Productions. Nagpapabati si Direk Aldin Alejo, si Balong Mulano, si Jetro Miguel, si Aaron at yung mga iba pang guys dyan. Hello sa inyo. We miss you. We'll see you very soon on other production outfits. Back to live action here in Pampanga. Redel Llantos. He's swinging around. Here's the drive by Santos. He draws a foul from somebody. At ang somebody na yun, probably si Nilo Lico. Take a look at this replay. That's a blocking foul by Lico. That's his second personal. And that's only the first team foul by Magalang. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung mga keys to victory on both squads. No? Sa Magalang, ang napapansin ko dyan, number one, they need to put a premium on passing. At yun, pinakita kanina ng Magalang, they have 3 quick assists. And of course, number 2, wag nilang iaalaw ang Mexico to those lion's share rebounds. Ito, naka-rebound na naman ng Mexico with a reverse. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Sa Mexico naman, they just limit their turnovers kasi nung second quarter, they have a lot of a string of turnovers. And on the second time around sa Mexico, kailangan nilang i-improve ang kanilang free throw shooting. Ito, medyo Bad scramble na dito. Nagkakagulo na. And finally, Mexico has the letter. Cycle Perez is unmolested. 45-41. The lead is up to 4, and we have a foul from the rear, spotted by John Lisiges. At ang tinawagan ng foul ay si Aaron Santos. That's a second personal foul. Aaron Santos, take a look at this fast break finish by Cycle Perez all alone. Manaloto and the rest, Magalang wants to create space. Hindi pumasok ka ng layup. They get offensive rebound back, and they convert. Courtesy of Rafa Canlapan. Ito, bulldozer ito. Nung nakukuha siya ng rebound, humanap ng puwang. Ginamit ng katawan, glides in, and lays it up. Take a look at this slow-mo, ha? Pagkakuha ng rebound, ang ginawa niya, libre. O, ititira ko ito. And he draws a foul and one. Brilliant play by Canlapan. And Canlapan completes a three-point play opportunity, chops down the lead to 1. Magalang 44, Mexico 45, time remaining 7 minutes and 35, third quarter. Cycle Perez, ikot ang bola, they swing it around right down the baseline, they then yato, sampal, harap-harapan. And we have Perez, keeps it alive for the white shirts, it goes! Both teams really scrambling for the letter. And that time, the white shirt prevailing with this. Perez, instant stick back off the glass. He really mastered that kind of shot. Ha? Pangatlong beses na yan na tumira si Perez ng pabanda na isang kamay lang. So that means he wants to master that craft. And Kiel Perez, product of Sam's Academy of Pampanga. Misfires on that free throw, but they get the ball back. Fresh 14. Kunana momentarily open for 3. That's back iron. Perez muli. Fantaloso to the basket. Didn't pay off. One more serving for Perez. Wow. Perez is everywhere. How many rebounds on that one possession? 4. Sa pagkakabilang ko. Pero nakasunod na si Lickup with a jumper from 18. 46 for Magalang, 49 for Mexico. Time down to 6 minutes and 49 sa ating third quarter. Touch pass by Nakpil. Once again, Mexico always finding an open guy underneath. Ito na ang Juan Magalang with that brilliant drive. That time, Elion Malaloto using the left hand. So scoring really pick up in this third period for both squads. And that time, another sloppy play by Mexico. Ito yung keys to victory natin. Iwasan nila yung turnovers. Dahil doon nakakabalik ang Magalang. They can eat you back with 2-point or 4-point production or counter production. A pick by Canlapan. That leads Manaloto. That's a bone-crunching pick if I ever saw one. Sagad-sagaran sa buto yun. Yung pick na yun. Samantala. Sidestep move once again. Wow. Kiel Perez. Third quarter assault. 53-50. 5 minutes and 55 in the third quarter. That time, Llantos nabasa yung pasa ng Magalang. And it will stay with Magalang with 17 seconds on the shot clock. Glad to have you with us again. Ryan Parapo doing the call here at GUIAO Convention Center. In Santa Mama. Fernando Pampakoy. Batiin ko lang si aking bossing sa broadcasting, si Noel Zarate, for having another batch of broadcasters on that recently concluded Masterclass PH in SGS in Quezon City. 24 aspiring broadcasters. And who knows, pwedeng mag-apply dito sa SLA Sports. Why not? Samantala, meron tayong foul na matatawagan against Mexico. And it will be Kiel Perez.
Kiel Perez is third.
And Kiel Perez will be met with his third personal foul. The big guy ng Magalang just check in. That's Rail Dizon. In the meantime, Mexico has the letter. And it will be their possession after the tap-up. Kindungka. You will place Jeff Button. 53. Sa Bisaya, yun yun eh. Button. Pero sa English, Button. Ay, mga ganyan ang pronunciation. O, balik tayo sa laro. Squared out offense for the white shirts of Mexico. Kiel Perez wants to create once again. That time, he undercooks. Counter fast break for Magalang. Whoa! Look at that shot! Slight jackknife there by Nilo Licop. Tinding dukot nun. 53 to 52. 4 minutes and 52 remaining. About more than halfway house of the third quarter. Kunanan back irons the three-pointer. It goes out of bounds. And of course, syempre, batiin natin yung recent champions ng Sinag Liga, Tito Rex Firewire. On a down-the-wire finish sa Marikina. They beat the runner-up Santa Rosa Lions on the recently concluded Sinag Lakas 40. Of course, maraming salamat sa serbisyo ni Commissioner Rodney Santos and of course, the hard-working COO Coach Leo Sang. Batiin na rin natin ang management. Of course, President Ray Ala who covered that game alongside Enzo Galarosa and of course, our chairman, Rocky Chan. Thank you so much, Boss Rox, for the trust. And it's my pleasure to cover Delta Cup right here in SLA Sports. In the meantime, Mexico going for the fast gear. And then Yantos finding space. Short, Perez to the rescue. 55-52, Kiel Perez now. Double figures already in the third quarter. Oh, nakasagot kagad si Licap. Instant reply. Ika nga. Kumbaga sa cellphone, no? Instant reply yun. Nag-message kayo. Sumagot. Tablatayan 55. Kiel Perez missed the shot. That's our sixth deadlock. Sixth stalemate of the ball game. So literally, if things goes this way, this will be down the wire. But take a look at this. Bruising bit of action. Ayun. Yan ang tinatawag ko sa broadcast direct. Ano? Pagkaan special. Talagang may foul. Literal na munting na magka-headbutt. That's a last foul on Rail Dizon, his second personal. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Eto na si Kiel Perez. Yantos from the baseline. 2 on the shot clock. Is he aware of it? Kunana needs to put it up. Yes! That's what you call tremendous alertness. 58 to 55. 14 ticks. The shot clock, 3 and 38 remaining. Hang time move by Manaloto. Wow, this ball game, we are mesmerized with this youngster's performance in full display. First, Kunanan's buzzer beater shot clock three-pointer. And on the other side of the floor, Manaloto's inside foray. Well done, guys. That's what Delta Cup's all about. And of course, watching from the distance, ating buting gobernador, Governor Dennis Dental Pinan, he wants to make this coverage extra special. And Manaloto completes a three-point play opportunity. Tabla na naman tayo sa 58 apiece. And that's our 7th deadlock of the ball game. 7 tabla-tabla. Ganong katindi ang laban na to. First game pa lang mga ito ng 5. I'll cover the 2 games. The next 3 games is going to be Penelope and Enzo Galarosa will cover the next 3 games dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Sports. Samantala, traveling error dun sa Pascual. Ball game, or the ball possession is for Magalang. Instant foul given up by Rivadulla. And that's the 14th foul. Penalty na ba? Palagay ko hindi pa. Is it penalty? Ayan. Penalty situation na sabi nating referee. And Manaloto will be on the strive for 2 charities. Another southpaw that time. Manaloto, nothing but net sa kanyang first free throw. One more for Manaloto. That time it's long. Pero gusto ko yung stroke niya. Talagang yung release niya, saktong-sakto yung release. Pagka-bend ng tuhod, eksakto ang kanyang release. Ganun po yung basics of free throw shooting. Back to live action. 3-point bomb, no explosion. Rivadulla getting the offensive rebound. Extricates, drops it off. Puts it in. Kiel Perez is a man possessed in this third quarter. 60-59. And the big guy, Dizon. Lost his balance there on that layup. Rivadulla throws it up a haywire. Nothing. Perez, ball almost stripped away past his hands. 13 to shoot, and we're gonna have a charging foul against Nakpil. Bruising bit of action here in the third quarter. Kita-kita natin talagang ang mga batang ito they really put a valiant effort. And that what coaches say na ang sarap i-coach sa mga batang ganyan na talagang bukod sa pagsisipag, nakikinig. Kung may nababanggit mga foul na ganito, katulad ni Nakpil, di siya nagre-reklamo, balik sa depensa, laro lang. Manaloto and the rest of Magalang. That time is a legal pick. It's an offensive foul by Dizon. Very clearly stated by our league referee, Michael Galotera. Slow-mo replay shows you why. Boom! Aray ko. Aray. 2:23 remaining. The spin move by Kiel Perez. Kiel Perez, third quarter, continues to soar. 62 to 59. Manaloto spots. Off balance, hits the deck hard. He gets it right back. Pump fakes, release, puts it up, draws a foul. Manaloto down on the floor, but still managed to put up a shot. Brilliant. Another guy that you can look up to for Magalang, apart from Button. So far, Button and Manaloto leading the charge now for Magalang. And Manaloto misses the first. Ariel Manaloto ang kanyang pangalan so far. He missed the last two shots of free throw line. Yun, medyo minadali. So ang pagpiprito, pag nakuha niya bola, hinga mo naman ng malalim. Just a few dribbles and then release. That time, quick release by Manaloto. Gets it in. He's now 2 of 4 from the free throw line. Ay, nakikita niyo sa camera, aking gwapong spinner, aking katukayo, Ryan Cambalinza. 62-59, under 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Very closely fought encounter. First game pa lamang ito of 5. Shot will not work. Dizon will be called for his third personal foul. And Franco will go to the free throw line. Oh, check that. 4 na ba yan? Oh, okay. 4th na pala. So Franco will get his free throw. By the way, that's Jericho Franco. That's the head coach of BAYUNG Mexico, J.I. Gomez. The rest of the coaching staff in the background. Spirit Charities there. But a turnover there for Magalang. Nabitawan ni Kian Dungka yung bola when he get that rebound. Medyo slippery yung bola natin. Fresh shot clock for the white shirts. From the baseline. Pasa kay Kunanan. No room. No room to shoot. 5 to shoot. Dribbles to his left. Illegal pick. It's going to be an offensive foul on France the bid. Oh, check that. It's si ano pala yan? Jasper Mangalos ang tinawagan ng offensive foul. Kaya yung the other team pala. 63 to 60. Both teams in penalty. Time down to 1.5 minutes sa ating third quarter. Para sa ating Delta Cup. My name is Juan Paro. Manaloto. Shake and bake move, drives hard, rejected by Pascual. From the baseline, a pump fake by Manaloto, traveling. And now, we have Errol Santos will check in. Tignan natin yung traveling error ayun. He didn't lift his right foot. Okay yun eh. Pagka fake dribble mo, pero pagka fake mo, nag-shuffle ka, traveling yun. Baseline jumper, wala. And now Magalang will go for a fast break opportunity, but it won't happen. Great counter steal by Rivadulla. Santos, jumper, no. And we have a foul. So every foul will be free throws for the offended party. Yan ang nangyayari kasi both teams in penalty situation. Tingnan natin yung last foul. Yes, it's going to be a foul on Jericho Franco. So dito magkakatalo pagka penalty situation, dito na magkakatalo ang free throws. Mukhang gutom na yung ating league referee si Michael Galotera. Sabi niya, gutom na ako, meron pa akong 1 quarter. First free throw. I'm just teasing referee Michael Galotera. He's one of our great referees from Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Split by Button. 50 seconds remaining. 63 to 61. Santos from top of the key to swing it around. Ribadulya right down the baseline. Hang time move by Ribadulya. No. And on the other end of the floor, fast break. Estrabo going for gold. He does.
Paul Estrabo.
Another stalemate at 63. That's our 8th deadlock of this ballgame. Ganong kadikit. Bangalos, southpaw shot, partially deflected. Out of bounds para kay Nober Pascual. Runs out of space. And with 19.1 ticks, last shot time for Magalang to end the quarter. "13 seconds now. Pangilinan. Pangilinan makes his move. Here's Estrava. Airballs the shot. And we have 2 seconds to go. Here it comes. Santos lets it fly. And that ends the third quarter. Stalemate again at 63. Nag-umpisa tayo sa first quarter, 2016. The halftime, just a 3-point lead. Now, it's 63 all. We have 1 more quarter to play. And take a look at these highlights of the third quarter. And so far, Mexico having the leverage from Kiel Perez. And on the other side, Manaloto also taking charge for Magalang. That time, there's a 3-point basket. Kunanan, buzzer beater. On the other side, itong fast break. Estrabo with a finish. Tabla tayo at 63. Fourth quarter coming up. This is Delta Cup, brought to you by SLA Sports. Back to live action here at the GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. My name is Ryan Parle doing the call. First game of 5 ng ating Delta Cup. I will cover the 2 games and then later on the 3rd game to 5th game. Penelope and Enzo Galarosa will cover the last 3. So, 10 minutes to determine if Mexico can withstand the pressure of Magalang or Magalang will get the second win in 6 outings. Air ball, yung 3-point shot ni Santos. So, pansin ko dito sa Magalang, ito yung kanilang best game kasi para makatabla ka at makadikit ka sa Mexico ng 3 quarters, that's already an achievement for Magalang. Here it comes. The drive by Manaloto. Kick out. Pangilinan. Nice pump fake. Sidestep drive. Batted away by Llantos. Llantos broke loose. Almost hit me. And ang bola babalik sa Magalang. That's a very, very intense play there by Reden Llantos. Wants to take charge of the scoring after Kiel Perez running berserk in the 3rd quarter. The turnaround by Button. Medyo nanlamig. He just checked in after having a 9-minute rest because of sterling performance by Manaloto. Here's Manaloto from the corner. Couldn't hit it from 18. At si Kiel Perez nakakuha ng rebound. Ribadulya, they swing it around. Then Llantos wants to restore his scoring cudgels. 14 to shoot. Ribadulya thought about it. The bounce pass inside. Triple team. Balik kay Ribadulya. 9 to shoot. Are they aware of the clock? Here's Santos. Drives. 4 seconds. The spin. The turn. The bucket.
Aaron Santos.
65-63. So far, sa timeouts remaining, merong 2 timeouts dito ang Mexico. Magalang has 3. Here's Button with a one-handed shot. No good. PLS keep getting another carom. He's on its way to a double-double performance. Make no mistake about it. Santos is open. No, nothing this time. Offensive rebound once more. The fall away. Short. At meron tayong loose ball foul na tatawagan ng ating referee.
Pushing down on number 2.
At matatawagan ng foul. Gerard Nagpil already in foul trouble with 4 personal fouls. So, medyo deep naman ang bench ng Mexico. So ito si J.R. Gomez nag-isip na kung sino papalitan ni para kay Nagpil who has 4 fouls. One-handed shot, no good. Para for the rebound. Llantos gets it. Brings it up para sa Mexico. Still in the backcourt. Kiel Perez crosses the 8-second line. And narito na si Santos from top of the key. Kiel Perez, the hang time move. Didn't pay off. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. And Button with the defensive board. So dito natin malalaman sino yung mas matibay dito down the stretch. Can Magalang upset Mexico at all costs? Let's see. Manaloto. Nothing on his inside foray. And we have a foul given up by Licop on that fast break. It's a pushing foul. Mamaya-maya, interview ko ating best friend. Take a look at this last bit of action slow-mo. Yun, may tulak. Yeah, tama yun. That is almost close to a unsportsmanlike foul, ha? Pagka talagang sinadya mong itulak talaga. That's so close. But then Yantos and the rest of the white shirts protecting a 2-point lead. Ribadullo right down the baseline. Goes up. Drops it up. Almost to no avail. 7 to shoot. Kiel Perez, sidestep, didn't drop, put back inside the paint. Ribadullo helping Perez for the scoring parade of Mexico, and they're up by 4, 67-63. Time down to 7 minutes and 20 in the final quarter. 3-point shot from left quarter court, wala. Defensive rebound para sa Magalang, stripped away by Santos using his left. Almost a counter steal, he's still in the backcourt. And we have a foul on it. Ang tamang-tatawagan ay si Rafa Canlapan. Take a look at this. Mad scramble. And Canlapan pushes the ball carrier. Rafa Canlapan will be given his second personal foul. 3 minutes gone by sa ating fourth quarter. 7 minutes. Santos, shake and bake. Against 3 defenders rather. He almost traveled. Ribadullo thought about a fall away. Walang nangyari. Santos, he throws it up. Air ball. Yantos with a fall away. Yes! Well, just like Jeff Button, Yantos now in the fourth quarter, he's on the right place at the right time. Jeff Button wants to restore order. In vain. Off-balance shot. Walang nangyari. Kiel Perez pushing the ball up. That's too strong for Ribadullo. Counter fast break for Juan Magalang. The lob to Button. The drop pass inside. Hand out to Manaloto. Block! Button with a spin. It's going to be a foul by Santos. For you to distract the 3-on-1 play with the rejection, that's astounding. Tinding sapal yun. So upo muna si Franz David para sa Juan Magalang. 10 seconds to shoot. 3-point shot on its way. Bullseye! Rafa Canlapan hits the target. 69-66. The lead is 3. Time down to 5 minutes and 55 in the final quarter. Santos. Here's Kiel Perez. Short. Rebound controlled. Ito na ang Magalang. Ribadullo harassing the big guy. Manaloto. The drop to Button. Hook shot. Got it to go! Take a look at this in slow-mo. Nice shot by Button. And now he has a chance for a 3-point play opportunity para kay Jeff Button. Well, I believe already scored in double figures. Pero pareho sila ni Kiel Perez, double-double machine. Samantala, minti sa kanyang free throw, and it is a late violation against Magalang. Babalik ang bola sa Mexico. Again, the score now is 69-68. Mexico with a 1-point edge. 5:31 to play. Santos, nangihingi ng pick. Can't utilize it. Santos, 10 to shoot. Ribadullo on the left flank. Top of the key, Santos. He drives, puts it up. Tall arc in vain. Rebound controlled by Magalang. Still in the backcourt. Leak up, brings it up. Here's Canlapan. Smothered by the defense of Mexico. 2 players ganging up on him.
Rivadulla takes flight. That's short. Kind of fast break for Magalang. Manaloto, inside play, rejected. Santos with a block there. Perez has it with 19 to shoot. Perez with a sidestep. No beauty at all. Rivadulla's rebound. Hold it, says the ref. We have a foul before that. It's going to be Rivadulla. Second personal foul for Aldrin Rivadulla. Uy, kapangalan ng ating dating director dun sa D&D Media. Aldrin Alejo. 14 fouls now para sa Mexico. Dalawa pa lamang sa Magalang. 3-point shot. Wala yan. Santos clears the ball for the white shirts. Looking for a fast break opportunity. Santos! Bitin na kanila layup. And now Magalang has it. Manaloto lost it. Perez converts! And unti-unti lumalayo Mexico. 71 to 68. Closely fought encounter. From the get-go, neither team has taken the lead by as much as 7. It has been 6 points or less. That has been the story. So hindi nakakalayo mula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. Walang team na nakakascore ng 7 points or more. Always 6 points That's my observation. For the rest of this ball game. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Santos. Here's Kiel Perez. Now wax cold, but not Rivadulla. Or rather, Ledel Iatos. Great timing on that offensive rebound. He knew that Perez shot is short. And why not? Iatos scores for Mexico. Timeout. Back to live action dito po sa GUIAO Convention Center. So both teams now had 2 more timeouts to call. So kasi kaka-timeout lang ng Magalang. 14 fouls ang Mexico and 2 team fouls ang Magalang. This is just the first game of 5. And later on, we'll bring you that second game for you at ating mga third game, fourth game, and fifth game. Si Penelope at si Enzo Galarosa ang magte-take over ng ating broadcast here. Now for Magalang, what they need to do is to a more efficient offense, maybe outside shooting. Pero hindi nangyari yun. Mintis ang tira ni Licap from the right wing. 3 and 25 remaining. Patient offense now for Mexico. They're up by 5, 73 to 68. Santos, there's a pick again by Perez. Santos moves out, 8 to shoot. On the left side, almost batted away by Button. And we have 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ito na. On the outside, here's Perez. Will drive, left-handed layup. Oh, wow! Perez! What a second half for him. Jeff Button. Hang time. Oh, whoa! Look at that. So it's the battle between Perez and Button in this quarter right now. The lead is 5 for Mexico, 75 to 70. 2 and 45 remaining. Llantos. Llantos shaking big. There's a pick by Pascual. Santos on the outside. Left quarter 3. Wala. And here's the fast break. Licap, layup, reverse. 75-72. Time down to 2 minutes and 22. We are approaching the twilight zone. So kapit mga kabalin at ating mga SLA fans. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Llantos right down the base. The spin. Can't turn. Perez for 3. Offline. Baseline. Offensive rebound. Llantos was rejected. We're down to the last 2 minutes. And ayun, ang announcement ng ating venue announcer, Ram Vadid. Last 2 minutes. Let's see if Mexico can withstand this one Magalang pressure. Heads up play, sabi ni Santos. Santos spins, turns. Kick out. Rivadulla goes left. Ribadulla travels. It's a traveling. It's a traveling error by Ribadulla. One Magalang, all they need is a short bucket. And 3 can tie it. Inside, quick, Dunca scores. 1-point game. 75-74. A minute and 27 remaining in this ball game. Danda binababa ni Santos ang bola. And we have a foul against Magalang. And that's only the 13th foul. It's a third personal foul on Canlapan. And we have a timeout by Mexico with 1 minute and 22 left. We'll be right back. Well, whoever wins in this ball game, one thing's for sure. One of the prime candidates, I suppose, for the best player always for Magalang is Jeff Button. And of course, the other one is Ezequiel Perez. So a sensational second half. Let's see if Ezequiel Perez can answer. This is just a 1-point game, 75-74, a minute and 21. 10 seconds to shoot now for Mexico. Perez will extricate, goes left. 5 on the shot clock. Perez drives. 3, 2, 1. He needs to put it up. He travels. Traveling. Great defensive stance by Magalang. A minute and 9 remaining. Here's Jeff Button. Sidestep. Button. No. Tip in. Yes! 1-point lead for Magalang. 76-75. 55 seconds. Llantos drives. The shot will not work. Ribadulla was fouled upstairs. So again, patibayan na lang to ng loob. Kung sino makakapasok ng free throws in this crucial stretch of the game will win. So, Ribadulla will catch his breath while the mop man mops the floor on the wet spot of the floor. Let's take a look at a very tense moment by head coach Joey Mercado Magalang. Remember, there are only 1 win in this tournament. They're looking for the 2nd win. And medyo napagod si Ribadulla on that release. Short on this first free throw. Both teams now with 14 fouls. Both teams had 2 timeouts, 1 timeout to call for both. One-handed by Ribadulla, it won't happen. But they get the ball back. 10 on the shot clock. The drop pass. Pascual lost it. Almost. And Butter with a steal. Butter will go all the way. Yes! 3-point lead now for Magalang. 25 ticks. Santos brings up the ladder. Santos will drive. He was fouled. And suddenly, Ink Bayung Mexico crumpled under pressure, and Button pressing the right button to score in a crucial moment of the game. And look at him, he's howling. And look at his teammates, very appreciative of his valiant effort. Santos, crucial free throws. Dismal failure. He wilt under pressure. Still a 1-possession ball game. Split. 78-76. It's a 2-point lead for Mexico. And Magalang will call a timeout. Welcome back. Crucial situations here. My name is Ryan Paro. First game of 5 of Delta Cup. The score, Magalang 78, Mexico 76. The time, 29.1 seconds. Timeout situation. Both teams had one more to call. Both teams in penalty. So Magalang will choose to inbound on the backcourt. Liga, pass it. He lost it. Steal. Santos puts it up. No. Rebound controlled by Magalang, and there's a foul. Tense moment for Magalang. They thought that they lost a field goal, but luckily Mexico didn't convert. Take a look at this. Steal by Santos. He just throws it up against a double team. He was partially rejected. And that's going to be instant foul. So it all depends on Canlapan if he can score these 2 free throws. Remember, both teams, they're not good free throw shooters. And referee Michael Galatera checks the situation of Kindungka. If there's some blood on his face. Hindi natin makita sa camera, but anyway, play continues. Now, Canlapan is on the pressure cooker. If he can score those free throws. This is the battle of wits. First attempt. It's good! 79-76. One possession game, 21.7. Mexico has one more timeout to call. He makes both! With 21.7 seconds, we're not gonna turn over. We're gonna extend and remind you that this is just the first game of 5. And ladies and gentlemen, dito po sa Sinag Liga Asia Sports, SLA Sports, this is my first appearance. What a baptism of fire, Direct Billy. And of course, Direct Mike leading the charge. My floor director here, Direct Billy. Of course, Molins, venue announcer Ram Valet. Coach Leo is here. Mang Boy Quisido. Yan, si Dodong, ang ating security. All of these hardworking men and women of Sinag Liga Asia Sports. Our production van, OB van crew. Wow. I will cover 2 games today. And this game and after this. At mamaya po, si Penelope at si Enzo ang magte-take over ng production. Mexico will inbound on the front court. That means 14-second shot clock. Ang ating score, 80, Magalang. Mexico, 76. Both teams in penalty. One more timeout for Magalang. No more timeouts for Mexico. Here it comes. All important play for Mexico. Here we go. 13 seconds to shoot. Quick foul. That's a useless foul. So Nilo Licap will give Ribadulla a chance to score 2 points. Frozen on the clock. And I think Guagua is ready for the second game. That they will be next. Ribadulla makes the first. The lead is 3, 80-77. Should Magalang call a timeout? Yes. If Ribadulla makes the second free throw, they will call a timeout. Yes. This will be the last timeout of the ball game. Magalang will call a timeout. Coming up next, of course, Guagua Tulong-Tulong Tayo is ready for our second game encounter. At mamaya po, we will introduce our best player of the ball game. He's gonna sit down on me right here and ask him very interesting questions. Woo! First game pa lamang ito. Of course, I hope you enjoyed our coverage. Of course, this coverage of Delta Cup is presented to you by SLA Sports. Of course, maraming salamat po kay Chairman Rocky Chan. Of course, kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, transforming Pampanga from a disastrous province nung Pinatubo. Kaya nilikha yung kantang Kumusta Ka Pampanga noong 1999 by Gary V. To a pedigree of champions in sports. Not only basketball, but in sports. Here we go. Magalang will inbound from the backcourt. Remember, on the last timeout, they turn the ball over. They need to take care of that basketball well enough. Here it comes. Here's some pressure from the backcourt. Can they cross the 8-second line? Yes, they do. There's a double team. Instant foul given up by Santos, probably. That's a 4th personal foul on Aaron Santos. The last time Canlapan makes both. Let's see if Canlapan can score the first free throw. He got it. 3-point game. Steady free throw shooting. Canlaban has ice water in his veins. 4 free throws made by Canlaban. That's big. One more time as for Mexico. 13.9 seconds. Santos, there's a tap. It will stay with Mexico. They need to hurry up. 12.8 seconds. Santos will inbound from the backcourt. There's the lob pass to Llantos. Llantos has it. 10 seconds to go. Llantos will drive. Goes for the glass shot. Will not work. Battle for the rebound. Ibadulla. Santos will fire a 3-point shot. It does not work. Rebound control. Manaloto has it. 1 second to go. And looks like Magalang might pull an upset of colossal proportions. .8 seconds to go. And shortly, we're going to interview Jeff Button, who has been superb starting in the second quarter. And up until now, he inspired teammates, especially Canlaban, who made the last 4 free throws to seal the deal for Mexico. And this might be the final score. Winner is Magalang, 83, Mexico, 78. So, Magalang will improve to 2-win and 4-loss record. Samantalang Mexico will drop to 5 wins and 3-loss record. And of course, in just a short while, interview natin ang ating best player of the ball game. At si Jeff Button. Take a look at the final score again. 83 points for Magalang and 78 points para sa BAYUNG, Mexico. Woo! This game is as close as it gets. And of course, kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the ball game. Walang iba kundi si Jeff Button, who has been sensational in the second and third quarters. At the fourth quarter, he's concentrating on rebounds. We're gonna interview him in a short while sa ating live. Again, ang ating final score, 83 points to 78. So again, kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the ball game, Jeff Button. Jeff, nung second quarter, saan mo nakuha yung lakas na makakuha ng points and rebounds consistently at tuloy-tuloy na yan sa laro?
Kumpiyansa lang, sir. Kumpiyansa lang. Lagi yung inuwa ko sa panalangin, sir.
And of course, yung free throws ni Canlaban, paano mo siya na-motivate na maipasok yung 4 na free throws to seal the deal for Magalang?
Binibigyan ko lang siya ng kumpiyansa para may panalo namin ng laban.
Of course, Jeff, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, nagkakatuwa na dito mga teammates na Magalang. Nandyan ang camera, pwede ka na magpasalamat at bumati. Go ahead.
Papasalamat nga pala ako sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa mga teammates ko, tsaka ako sa San Isidro, sa mga sumusuporta sa akin.
Again, Jeff Button, congratulations. Valiant effort. Good luck on your next game. Jeff Button, mga kaibigan, ang ating best player of the ball game. Go ahead, sige pa.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa sumusuporta naman si Mayor Malu Palastakso.
Jeff, again, congratulations. Good luck on your next game. All right, best player of the ball game natin, si Jeff Button. Final score, 83 to 78. First game pa lang mga ito ng 5. We have 4 more games to play. You're still watching Delta Cup. Coming up next, in Malugod, Candaba versus Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo. Ryan Palo muli magko-cover sa ating second game. This is Delta Cup, powered by SLA Sports.